There is a place on Earth that looks more like another planet than our own. Bright yellow sulfur pools bubble from the ground. Rivers of acidic liquid flow across strange mineral formations, and the air is filled with toxic gases rising from deep beneath the surface. Many scientists consider it one of the most extreme environments anywhere on our planet. This place is known as the Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression is located in northeastern Ethiopia. It sits near the border of Eritrea and Djibouti, in a region known as the Afar Triangle. This area lies within the East African Rift System, where three tectonic plates are slowly pulling apart. Because of this geological activity, the land here is constantly changing. Volcanoes erupt, gases escape from deep underground, and the ground itself sometimes cracks and shifts. The Danakil Depression is also one of the lowest places in Africa. Much of the region lies more than 100 meters below sea level. But what makes this place truly remarkable is its extreme climate. Temperatures here are among the hottest ever recorded on Earth. Daytime temperatures can easily exceed 45 degrees Celsius. Even at night, the air often remains extremely warm. Some scientists believe this region may be the hottest inhabited place on the planet. Despite the intense heat and hostile conditions, people have lived in this region for centuries. The Afar people are a nomadic group who travel across the desert with their camels. They are known for mining salt from the desert floor. Large salt flats stretch across parts of the Danakil Depression. Workers cut blocks of salt by hand using simple tools. The salt is then loaded onto camels and transported across the desert. This traditional salt trade has existed for hundreds of years, but the Danakil Depression is famous for something even more extraordinary. Its landscapes are unlike anything found anywhere else on Earth. One of the most famous locations in the region is called Dalol. Dalol is a hydrothermal field where underground, volcanic activity heats groundwater. As the water rises to the surface, it carries dissolved minerals with it. When these minerals cool and solidify, they form incredible structures. Bright yellow sulfur deposits cover the ground. Green pools of acidic water bubble from small vents. Orange and red mineral formations create patterns that look almost alien. The colors are so unusual that many people say the landscape looks like it belongs on another planet. However, the beauty of this place hides serious danger. Many of the pools in Dalol contain extremely acidic liquids. Some of them have pH levels close to that of battery acid. The gases rising from the ground can also be toxic. Sulfur dioxide and other volcanic gases can make breathing difficult. In some areas, the air itself can become hazardous. Because of these dangers, exploring the Danakil Depression requires careful planning. Visitors must travel with experienced guides. They must carry large amounts of water, and they must be prepared for extreme heat and difficult conditions. Despite these challenges, scientists are deeply interested in this region. The Danakil Depression provides a rare opportunity to study extreme environments. Some researchers believe that life here may resemble conditions found on other planets. Microorganisms have been discovered living in some of the acidic pools. These organisms survive in conditions that would kill most forms of life. Studying these organisms helps scientists understand how life might exist in extreme environments elsewhere in the universe. For example, planets like Mars once had volcanic activity and liquid water. If microscopic life could survive in places like the Danakil Depression, similar life might exist on other planets. Another remarkable feature of the region is the Erta Al volcano. Erta Ale is one of the few volcanoes in the world with a permanent lava lake. Inside its crater, molten lava continuously bubbles and flows. At night, the glowing lava illuminates the surrounding desert. The sight is both beautiful and terrifying. Erta Ale has been erupting for many years. Scientists regularly monitor the volcano to study its activity. The combination of volcanoes, toxic gases, and extreme heat makes the Danakil Depression one of the most geologically active places on Earth. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this region is how life continues to survive there. Despite temperatures that would seem unbearable, the Afar people have adapted to the harsh environment. They travel long distances across the desert. They mine salt using traditional techniques passed down through generations. Their knowledge of the land allows them to survive in conditions that most people would find impossible. The Danakil Depression is often described as one of the most alien landscapes on Earth. Its strange colors, boiling pools, and volcanic terrain create a scene that looks almost unreal. But it is also a powerful reminder of the forces shaping our planet. Deep beneath the surface, tectonic plates continue to move. Volcanic heat continues to rise, and the landscape continues to evolve. For scientists, explorers, and travelers, the Danakil Depression represents one of the most fascinating natural laboratories in the world. It is a place where geology, chemistry, and biology all come together. A place where extreme conditions reveal the incredible adaptability of life. And a place that shows just how strange and powerful our planet can be. Standing in the Danakil Depression can feel like standing on another world. Bright mineral colors stretch across the desert. Volcanic gases rise into the air. And the ground beneath your feet reminds you that Earth is still a living, changing planet. Few places on Earth are as dangerous, but few places are also as fascinating. And that is why the Danakil Depression remains one of the most extraordinary landscapes on our planet.